Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for your host, the one, the only, Robbie Domingo.
Thank you so much. You are so gracious. Hey! What is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls all over the world? I can see lots of familiar faces in the crowd. Hello. Nice to see you right here. Good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone feeling? Good? Great? Fine? Well, I'm Robbie. And sobrang excited po akong makasama kayo today para sa cheesiest, beefiest, best ever celebration ng Jollibee. Are you guys ready? Oh, this is a fun crowd. Alam nyo, ang dami nating activities, surprises, at syempre, ang bida ng ating programa, ang cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy Yum Burger. Sino dito ang favorite? Ang Jollibee Cheesy Yum Burger. Taas kamay! Show of hands! Sige, even sa taas kamay! Favorite natin. Baka maganda rin na sabayan natin ng hiyawan! Now, this is gonna be a party. Yan ang gusto natin lahat, di ba? Actually, ako gusto ko rin sumigaw tulad nyo. Pero, kailangan natin magpatuloy sa ating programa because, you know, that's how much we love Jollibee's Cheesy Yum Burger. Correct? Yes! I love this crowd. Tamang-tama talaga. We are big fans. We are huge fans. Actually, ito talaga ang bias natin. Forever and ever. I know that one. At itong event na to, kung ako sa inyo, especially for the people na nasa taas na nakaganito, kailangan yung isulat to sa inyong tala-arawan because lots of things are gonna be happening on this stage. I mean, who wouldn't be so excited? Especially for our product, Jollibee's Cheesy Yum Burger is the perfect combination of the beefiest Yum Burger patty and the cheesiest cheese slice. Every bite is truly a burst of the cheesiest, beefiest goodness that's sure to bring a smile to everyone's face. Look at those faces. Thank you. Can you show me your big smile? Pare, mas kinikilig ako sa'yo. Ang ganda ng smile mo, pare. Okay. Before we continue, is it okay if everyone right here in this venue, could you say beefiest on 3, 2, 1? Good job. How about this side? Can you say cheesiest? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yan ang mga factors na kasama natin ngayon. Siyempre, yan ang ating cheesy Yum Burger. But wait na, today is not just about that product, not just to savor the cheesy Yum Burger. We have planned a fun-filled show fitting Jollibee's Best Fest experience. Kaya naman, are you guys ready? Did you hear the soundtrack kanina dito? Okay. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, oh, I'm so excited. Here to give us a taste of what's in store, please join me in welcoming Jollibee's Assistant Brand Manager. We've got Emir Salubsong and Senior Brand Manager Bea Tempongco Zara. Let's give them a big round of applause. Emir and Bea having a lot of fans. Go ahead, buddy.
Jolly afternoon, Trinoma!
Jolly afternoon!
Jolly afternoon as well to our leadership team from Jollibee, our fellow Jollibees who are all in their convention shirts, to our media and KOL partners. Welcome to Jollibee's Cheesy Yum Burger Best Fest. We are so excited to have you here today. Excited na rin ba kayo sa mga pasabog namin today? At Jollibee, our mission has always been to bring the joy of eating to everyone. That's why we're constantly working to bring fresh and exciting experiences to our customers, whether it's a new menu item, a fun campaign, or a special event, as we aim to make every moment with Jollibee joyful and unforgettable.
Nako, Bea, I couldn't agree more. And undeniably, one of our most favorite products that definitely brings smiles to everyone's faces is none other than the Cheesy Yum Burger. So kita nyo naman sa banner sa taas, di ba? That it's the cheesiest, beefiest, best-tasting cheeseburger in the country. And that's versus our major competitors according to a recent study. So hindi lang po siya basta-basta claim lang, guys. Because we at Jollibee, we take our food very seriously. And we want to serve nothing but the best for everyone. And Cheesy Yum Burger is living proof to that.
Correct, Emir. And to really celebrate how Cheesy Yum Burger is the cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting, we've created a brand new campaign with a music video that's as fun and catchy as Cheesy Yum Burger is delicious. Not only that, but today we will also be announcing the launch of the newest addition to our Cheesy Yum Burger lineup. So, abangan nyo rin yan mamaya.
Nako, sobrang exciting and you guys are all in for a treat. And syempre, let's go back to the music video that we were talking about, no? When we were envisioning this campaign, we wanted to be fresh, we wanted to be fun, exciting, and of course, giving sa lahat, no? Because we also really want to give you all the best, even in our campaigns. And with that, we partnered with one of the biggest names in OPM right now. Because we know, yes, because we know that whenever they're on stage, they really give out their all-out best. And siguro naman over the past few weeks, di ba? Or past few days, you've been seeing us drop not so subtle hints about who they are. And base sa reaction sa crowd and also online, no? Mukhang kilalang kilala na kung sino sila.
Any guesses? May guesses ba?
Any guesses, guys?
Okay.
Okay. Mukhang kilalang kilala na nga nila, no? So, wag natin patagalin to pa, no? Let's get the Cheesy Yum Burger Best Fest started with the grand finale, grand premiere of our newest Cheesy Yum Burger music video. Please watch this.
They're fun, they're energetic, and they're definitely jolly. Nandito ang grupong di papatalo sa sayawan. Bibida na, let's give it up for Jollibee and Friends!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Jollibee and Friends. Let's give them a big round of applause. Good job, Jollibee. Grabe naman. Parang may bias record tayo dito. Pare-pareho tayong nagulat sa dance number na yun, di ba? Who would have thought na si Jollibee and Friends ang yayanig sa ating P-pop scene and OPM scene? Did you guys have fun? All right, that was a very fantastic performance, you guys. On that note, palapakan po natin Jollibee and Friends. Thank you so much We'll be seeing more of them in just a bit. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil wag muna tayong umuwi Dito lang kayo Okay? But I think we are so ready for the real thing. Tama ba? Tama ba? I can't hear. Blooms, are you ready? Oh my gosh, eto na. They are vibrant, energetic, and ready to bring down the house with their incredible talents at hindi po sila magpapakabog. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, Blooms, let's give it up for the newest addition to the Jollibee family. Put your hands together for BD!
Masaya, ang best cheesy ang burger na hindi nahahanap ng iba. The cheesiest, beefiest ka na. Feel like the best when I'm with you. Best cheesy ang burger ko. Can't wait to bite into you. Best cheesy ang burger ko. Ay, ay, cheesy ang burger is the best. You deserve the best. Gotta have the cheesiest. Cheesy is go, beefiest go. Best cheesy ang burger ko. Cheesy is go, beefiest go. Best cheesy ang burger ko.
Oh my gosh! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the nation's girl group and the newest addition sa Jollibee family. Palakpakan po natin, BD!
2, 3! Mabuhay! Hi,
Good.
I'm Bin.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm Sheena. Hi guys, I'm Colette. Hi everyone, I'm Mika. Hi guys, I'm Gwen. Hi, I'm Jolly Beanie Stacy. What's up? It's Joanna. Hi, I'm Choco Maloy Pan. And we are Beanie. Yes, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat po for having us today. And alam niyo, super excited din si Ate Aya to be with you po. Pero kailangan niya lang magpahinga ngayon po. Pero papasalubungan natin siya mamaya ng cheesy yum burger.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
But hey, Beanie is right here with us! Oh my gosh. Alam niyo, may bago na naman tayong aaralin na sayaw, lalong-lalo na mga choreo. But I just have to say, as a proud kuya, I am so proud of you guys.
Thank you,
Being
Kuya.
part of the Jollibee family is a big thing. And now, grabe talaga yung tuwa sa aking puso. But it's really nice to see almost all of the girls right here. But we're talking about the newest addition to the group and also the product that you endorse. How does it feel na maging parte ng Jollibee family and, of course, to really push that cheesy yum burger? Let's start with Colette. Oh, okay. We're just fixing the technicals ng ating girls. But don't you worry. Ang daming mangyayari dito. We're gonna be having games. We're gonna be having prizes. And lots of surprises coming from our beautiful ladies. Okay. But while waiting for the audio to be checked, also, can we ask for floor audio as well? Okay, maraming salamat. This happens sa live show, but we're just so happy andito ang ating mga biases, di ba? But talking about sa kanina Jolly Beanie, di ba? I love that hashtag. Don't you love Jolly Beanie? Let's make that an official hashtag today. Jolly Beanie. I love it. Okay, is the technical okay? Are technicals okay? All good? Oo, again, ang daming mga blooms na nandito sa ating venue. It's so overwhelming, but going back to what I said, syempre, you guys are the new faces of Jollibee. Wow, talaga.
Grabe mo.
Oo, and you are endorsing that product lalong-lalo na ang cheesy yum burger. How does it feel na kayo ang bagong addition to the family ng Jollibee? Let's start with you, Colette.
Sobrang grateful po talaga kami nung nalaman po namin na kami po yung new faces po ng Jollibee po. Sobrang grabe yung tili namin, sobrang saya namin.
Paano yung tili? Paano yun?
Hindi na, wala. Grabe mo. Si Sheena magsasample.
Well, I'm sure.
Sobrang saya po namin kasi normal na tao lang po kami dati nag-o-order po talaga kami ng Jollibee. So ngayon po, sobrang nakaka-proud po kasi si Jollibee po talaga parte na po ng buhay ng bawat Pilipino.
That's true.
Kaya to be part po of this family na naghahatid ng saya sa lahat po, sobrang ito po yung proud moment po talaga namin. Yes.
We're
Lalo
so
na po,
happy.
lalo pa at yung in-endorse pa namin yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy yum burger.
Wow! Ganda naman ang pagkakasabi.
Kuya
nun.
Robbie, grabe,
Yes.
dream come true po talaga po sa amin. Itong Jollibee sa aming bini po. Kasi kahit saan, sa rehearsals, training, pag nagugutom kami, guys, tara, order tayo
Totoo.
Jollibee, order tayo ng Chicken Joy,
Yan.
na kung ano man, Coke Float, lahat favorite po talaga na no joke. It's our favorite po
Comfort
talaga.
food.
Yes.
Actually, right before the program started, grabe yung ang daming super meals sa likod na naubos. That's how big of a fan Jollibee is. But I just want to say, kanina nakakatuwa na you girls are so humble, na normal na tao. But to everyone here, especially to the Blooms, you are our heroes. Hindi lang kayo normal na tao. Thank you for all of the songs. Pero iba talaga yung sarap ng cheesy yum burger. Ang daming, I'm sure ang daming take doon. Kakakagat nyo ng cheesiest, beefiest yum burger. Diba? Pero kamusta naman yung experience nyo? I wanna ask Gwen.
Yes,
Hi, Gwen.
sobrang saya po kasi sa bawat kagat lasang-lasa mo yung cheesiness and beefiness ng double cheesy yum burger.
Oh, yeah.
Nakakagutom naman yan. Pero what if yung cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting cheesy yum burger, what we already love, i-double pa natin. Para double the fun, double the yum. Am I right?
Yung masarap na cheesy yum burger, dodoblehin pa natin. Paano yung sinabi mo? Double the
Double
fun?
the fun, double the yum.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Pwede ba natin gawin yun? Meron na ba nun?
Meron na ngayon. Kasi dahil ngayon, Jollibee is proud to introduce its newest variant, the double cheesy yum burger.
Oh, wow! And I think we have it on the screen. It's right there. The double cheesy yum burger. Ayan, oh. Oh, yeah, si Stack. Nag-model na si Stack. Kasama si Maloy. Oy!
Ayan na naman kayo.
Ayan na naman. Oy! I think to
Hanggang
all,
dito.
to all of our friends, please take a photo. Use the hashtag JollyBeanie. Alright. Parang si Colin, ano na naman ginagawa nyo? Ito na naman kayo eh. But I think Gwen has to say something.
Yes, perfect na perfect po yan talaga. Mas ma-enjoy natin yung double na yung cheesiest cheese, tapos double pa yung beefiest patty. Di ba, Kuya
Oh,
Robbie?
sobrang sarap naman yan.
grabe.
Maloy!
Yes, ngayon pa lang, parang nalalasahan ko na mula sa soft buns hanggang sa nag-iisang Jollibee's special burger dressing na hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga yon. Tapos double pa yung cheesiest cheese slices with double beefiest patties. Grabe. I love it.
Ayan.
Meron ba tayo? Parang nagugutom ulit ako.
Nagugutom ka na ulit?
Kakain mo lang.
Kasi tignan nyo naman, tignan nyo yung look at that double cheesy goodness. O, di ba? Yung cheese na wala. O, so yan, ayan.
Ito muna yung
The
beefiest
beefiest
natin.
muna.
Beefiest
The
Beefiest patty.
Sino ba dito ang bibili after ng event na to?
Nakakagutom naman talaga. Oh.
Oh,
Ang daming balloons dito na siguradong dediretso dyan sa Jollibee.
Opo. Seryoso po, kasi if kami, ilang beses na kami nakatikim nito, yung mga shoots kasi namin, kahit ilang takes pa kami, nauubos po talaga. Nilulunok po talaga namin siya. Lunok talaga to the bone.
Joanna, dami na ubus.
Oh, teka lang. Si Joanna na, marami na ubos. Grabe naman.
Oh,
Mika,
sayang kasi tingin pa lang sa double cheesy yung burger, alam mo na agad na nag-uumapaw ang cheesiest at beefiest flavors.
I mean, look at that. Diba? Grabe
Yan,
pala. Isang
ayan,
tingin pa lang,
diba?
alam mo na masarap eh.
Tingin lang, bawal ba yung kagat? Kasi natatakam na ako eh.
Natatakam ka?
Oo. Patingin ng takam.
Paano?
Paano?
Wait lang.
Kainin mo
Wait
yan,
lang.
natatakam
Gusto
siya.
na ba makita yung takam ni Gwen?
Ay!
In 3, 2, 1.
Ang ganda mata ko.
Oh, panalo. Say less, Gwen. Oh, kasi, oh shucks, yun ang nararamdaman natin eh. Oh shucks, meron bang ganun ngayon? Very generous si Jollibee kasi they have prepared the new double cheesy Yum Burger for everyone to enjoy. Labas ang burger.
Wow! Nasaan?
Oh, yan na, oh. The double cheesy Yum Burger. Thank you so much.
Burger ko na to
Yes,
today.
oh. Pass the burger.
Pang ilan na po namin ng today?
Pass the burger. Yes, pero syempre guys, hindi lang para sa amin ito dahil di naman pwedeng kami lang ang nag-enjoy ng cheesy Yum Burger. Kaya naman, ayan na guys, distribute na. Please enjoy our newest double cheesy Yum Burger from Jollibee! Yeah!
Ayan na, just like what Sheena
Eat
said.
well guys, eat well.
The new double cheesy will be available in all Jollibee stores nationwide starting tomorrow at best thing is, kayo ang unang makakatikim nito dito mismo sa ating event. Good job! Now everyone is having a bite of the newest cheesy Yum Burger.
It's in the shade of brown
Diretso
and
na
yellow.
agad, oh.
Ang
Okay.
sarap.
Let me open my burger right now and eat with the girls. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, can we have a photo up? Take another bite. In 3,
Okay,
2,
3, 2,
1,
1,
go! Tama nga, no? Ang sarap. May tanong ako kay Joanna. Joanna, may tanong ako para sa'yo.
Kalahati na yun sa kanya.
Ang laki ng kagat niya, Kuya Robby.
Masarap ba?
Wala ka Josie ka ba?
Grabe, no? Ibang klase. Saka, first time ko makarinig ng audience na pumapalakpak dahil kumakain ng Yum Burger sa stage. Ang galing. Bini lang talaga nakagawa na. Pero winner na naman ng Jollibee. Iba talaga ang saya kasi sobrang sarap nito. Let's give Jollibee a big round of applause. Good job, Jollibee. At sobrang excited akong i-share itong balita na to. And now that we have officially announced Beanie as the newest members of the Jollibee family, if you can look at that board sa likod, sa Cheesy Yum Burger Best Fest, we have Beanie-fied all of our areas right here. Tingnan nyo, sa likod. Ayan o, ang ganda. Right here with the Beanie standees, but paalala lang po, bawal pong iuwi yung mga standees.
Walang mag-uwi ng standees.
Walang mag-uwi
Kilala
ng
namin
standees.
kayo.
Okay, that's a
Wait,
rule.
may lost and found pa kasi po na stand.
Okay, everyone's enjoying the cheesiest, the beefiest, double cheesy Yum Burger. Ramdam na ramdam, oh. Tingnan natin kung sino yung pinakamalakas sa oh my gosh, Gwen, kalahati na.
Sorry, Kuya Robby. Kanina ko pa po inaano eh. Tinitingnan eh.
Ah, ganon. Naghahanda ka na for the Beanie
Yes.
Run, ha? Okay lang yan. Okay, but while the girls are here enjoying their burgers, is it okay if I go around, ask some of you guys kung kamusta yung experience sa double cheesy Yum Burger? I want to ask itong kasama ko dito na pareho kami ng damit eh. Okay. Hello? What is your name? Sienna. Sienna, I have to say, I love your outfit. I mean, this is the official outfit for the event right now. Okay, you haven't opened your burger yet, but sa looks pa lang, ano ang masasabi mo? Feeling talaga, no? Ibang klase talaga ang ating double cheesy Yum Burger. Oh, kamusta yung girl? Parang hindi ka ba tapos na? Kalahati na. May nangyayaring challenge dito. Okay. Okay, let's go to our Jollibee fam and ask one of our members of the family. What is your name? Trish. I'm sure you've heard about the double cheesy Yum Burger. Ano man sabi mo? Spoken like a true endorser. Maraming salamat, Beanie Krish. You're part of the family. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back on stage with our girls. Si Gwen parang ubos na talaga yung burger niya, oh. Hello. Gwen, kumusta?
Ay nako, Kuya Robby, kayang-kayang ubusin yun sa isang upuan. Pero pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko kasi gusto ko mas manamnam ko siya mamaya after natin dito.
Magbabaon ka ba?
Oo, mamaya.
Magbabaon ka
Oo, babalikan ko yun.
Ikaw, excited ka bang ubusin lahat ng mga cheesy hamburger sa likod?
Uy, oo, game ako. Kayo, game kayo?
Ay, sige, mukbang tayo, mukbang.
May
Feeling ko
mukbang
padamihan
na.
kayo ni Joanna. Padamihan
Magandang
kayo ni
contest yan, ha? Speaking of contest, alam ko kung gaano katindi yung mga members ng Beanie when it comes to games, and later on, we're gonna be having that. Pero ako, mag-uwi din ako kasi alam ko yung misis ko nandyan, eh.
Ay!
Si Beanie Mikey, eh. Beanie Mikey is here. I will bring a lot kasi grabe yung sarap ng double cheesy hamburger. Agree, guys?
Yeah!
Yes! Thank you. Okay.
Kuya Robby, sample po
Sample
ng
naman,
agad.
Kuya
Oo
Robby.
naman, Kuya Robby.
Paano yung langhap sarap?
Sampo.
Huwag naman sa amin.
Wow.
Sinama niya na pati.
Paano tuloy ako magsasalita nito? Tsaka, si ate kanina, Sir, akin na po. Kunin ko na po. Oh.
Tubig,
Maraming
tubig,
salamat.
Kuya Robby.
Tubig.
Baka
Kuya
mapalitan
Robby.
kami ni Kuya Robby niya.
Maraming salamat, mga anak. But we have a consensus. Everyone loves the new Jollibee Double Cheesy Hamburger. And it's all because of Jollibee. Let's give Jollibee a big round of applause. Maraming salamat. And also, for...
Nunukin mo muna.
Naiiyak kasi ako, eh. Naiiyak kasi ako kasi grabe yung collaboration na to between Jollibee and Beanie. For Jollibee, thank you so much for making our girls the newest addition to the family. Let's give Jollibee and Beanie a big round of applause. Okay, lasang-lasa talaga yung double cheesiest, beefiest, best tasting goodness. A new product variant and the newest endorser for this, grabe, Jollibee never fails to bring us joy talaga. And I also enjoyed the newest product dito. At mukhang ito na ang magiging staple order ng lahat dito. As in, tulad ng sinabi ng girls kanina, hindi ka mabibitin sa sobrang sarap, sa sobrang dami. And di ba? Tama ba, girls?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I think Mika would love to say something.
I would like to say that this is the moment that I've been waiting for, and this is the moment that we've been wanting to share this.
Maraming salamat, candidate number 1. Thank you for saying that. But I think it's high time for me to ask our girls kasi getting this, I don't want to say ambassadorship or endorsement, getting this privilege to be part of the Jollibee family is a big thing. How does it feel to be part of this gargantuan family and endorse such an iconic brand?
Yeah, super grateful po kami na maging part ng Jollibee family. Pero kasi, di ba, parang buong buhay natin, naging part na talaga ng buhay natin yung Jollibee. Parang pagkabata natin, doon ka nga di ba?
Doon ako nag-first birthday, mamaya ipapost ko.
Oh, diba?
Ay, antayin nyo. Doon ako nag-first birthday.
Up until now, alam nyo, may isi-share lang ako po. Pag halimbawa, lumalabas kami ng ibang bansa, tapos nasa airport pa lang po kami, pauwi pa lang po kami, hindi kami nag-uusap. Alam nyo po kung ano ginagawa namin?
Ano?
Sari-sariling order po kami ng Jollibee. Para po, pagdating namin sa bahay po, nandun na, diretso kain na po kami. Ganun po lagi routine namin. Kasi namimiss namin yung lasa ng Jollibee kung paglalabas kami ng ibang
Lalo
bansa.
for Pinoys, di ba? For Filipinos like us. Pag sinabi mong Pinoy, automatic Jollibee nandyan.
Yes.
Diba?
Sobrang saya sa puso na maging part po ng brand na to. Kasi Jollibee is not only a meal. Parang kasama mo siya sa memories mo. Kasama mo siya kasama ng family mo. So being able to be part of Jollibee family, it's so surreal. Hindi kami makapaniwala. Panaginip ba to? Pakigising ako, please.
And Jollibee shares our value po of bringing joy to everyone. Lalo na we love spending our rest days po with our families po. And we all know that Jollibee is known po for its
for its welcoming and family-oriented atmosphere.
Yes.
Every birthday natin, gusto natin, saan kayo mag-celebrate ng birthday mo? Jollibee!
Yes.
Mga makakasabi mo naman, ready na ba kayo makikita?
Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, tapos lagi sabi na ni Joanna itong iconic line na to. Go, Jo!
Kasi lagi namin tong
May
joke lang po namin to before. Okay, game.
Okay.
Ready na ba kayong makita si Jollibee?
Mga party, oo nga, no?
Opo, tapos ngayon pwede na namin sabihin.
Pwede na. I think may bagong plano ang marketing team. Si Miss Dora is like, pwede pala, kunin na natin ang Bini. sa
Pwede
mga
po
birthday
ako.
party.
Sige po.
Oh, wow. At saka, ang Jollibee, nandito lang. Got you. Okay, as the newest faces of Jollibee's cheesiest, beefiest, best-tasting cheesy yum burger, ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng i-look forward ng mga, kita nito, mga fans na nakasama natin, mga friends and family na kasama natin dito in the future? Especially our Blooms. Taas kamay, mga Blooms! Everyone is.
Of
Snack.
course, syempre hindi lang po yung cheesy yung burger yung dapat abangan. Magkakaroon din po kami ng commercial sa Jollibee! Yay! Lalabas po ito sa June 18, 2024.
Sana.
2024 ngayon. Ayun.
Sana this year.
Next year pa pala.
Pero maghihintay pa rin kami.
Yes. Thank you so much po. And syempre yung quality din. Syempre nandiyan lahat ng katuwa ng mga bata, mga teenager, mga lolo, lola, tito, tita, ate, kuya, nandiyan lahat. Enjoy, happiness, good vibes po tayo lahat with Jollibee.
Definitely.
Yes, also makakasama din namin ng Jollibee sa Beaniverse concert which is this June 28 to 30. So abangan niyo po yan. Sino manonood?
Yung mga masaswerteng may tickets, taas kamay.
Sino mga nakasecure ng tickets?
Don't worry, madami pang next time.
Kasama ka rin ba sa Bini Run?
Ay, kasama
Okay.
niyo sa video.
Maraming tatakbo dito. Well, yung commercial na sinasabi ni Stack, I think we have a snippet of that one a while ago, pinalabas.
Hindi pa po namin napapanood.
Hindi pa namin napapanood.
Can we change it up? Is it okay to watch the commercial right now with the girls? Para na
Yes.
maramdaman natin yung feeling. Okay lang ba? You want that to
Video.
happen? Is that okay?
Reaction video.
All good with our director? Okay.
Live.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be watching the newest TVC of Beanie and Jollibee together with the nation's girl group. Lights, video. All right.
Mic drop.
Oh,
Nakaiyak.
diba?
Oh.
Sobrang happy ang lahat. The marketing team is so happy. Jollibee is so happy. Stacy, are you crying?
Natawa po siya sa pagkagat ng burger.
Ang laki kasi ng kagat. Kasi nakailang take po ako talaga sa part na yon. Kasi
Oh.
natatawa po talaga.
Saka yung last part na may ganun. Diba, kuhang-kuha talaga ng yung best fest natin ngayon. I want to ask, after watching the video, that not just the video, your commercial for Jollibee, your TVC, anong nararamdaman nyo?
Kilabot po.
Kilig.
Kilig. Kasi nung nag-shoot po kasi kami, parang hindi namin naramdaman yung whole day na shoot. Sobrang bilis po nilang gumalaw. And even yung Jollibee family namin, talagang binusog po kami the whole day. Sobrang salamat po. Salamat po.
to all the production.
I think si Sheena may gustong sabihin kanina.
Ay, wala po.
Ah, wala? kasi kumausap gumanon ka eh. Akala ko lang may problem. Speechless.
Ganda.
Speechless. But, you guys from Jollibee to, of course, dominating not just the Philippines, but the whole world. How does it feel to be part of the ever-evolving OPM scene? Especially number 1 na kayo sa Pilipinas.
Oh my God.
Uy! Number 1 ang Beanie sa Pilipinas. And you girls just not dish out beautiful music, but you represent Filipinos. Anong pakiramdam na kayo ang nagdadala ng bandera ng OPM?
Well, to be honest, we're still, we make sure that the pressure doesn't get to us. But if it does, we use it in a way and where we are able to improve and, of course, still take constructive criticism. To our songs, we couldn't have gotten here if it weren't for you guys. And to be representing OPM, it is such an honor. And for sure, we promise we will not disappoint and we will continue to take OPM into the international scene.
Yes, and thankful po kami kasi from the very start, we always try to incorporate Filipino culture through our songs, performances, yung styling po namin. Kaya we're very happy na ngayon nare-recognize na siya. And if nakapag-contribute man po kami doon, we're thankful kasi mas lumalawak na po yung naaabot ng Filipino talent.
Galing ng girls
Malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Yeah.
We're really grateful po talaga sa mga tao na nakapalibot sa amin. Kasi hindi kami yung Beanie ngayon kung hindi rin dahil sa tulong nilang lahat. Especially to our Blooms, to our management, to God, to our family. And now with Jollibee.
Yeah! Beautiful message. Okay, you got lots of fans, lots of Blooms listening to us right now, and I think we're being streamed online on different social media platforms. Ano ang mensahe nyo sa lahat ng mga talagang sumusuporta sa inyo?
Si Colette may
Oy,
Sorry. Si Sheena muna.
May blooms po ba here? Hi, Blooms! And sa mga nanonood po online, thank you so much for your unending support po sa amin. Please know na we truly love each and every one of you and we hope to meet all of you soon. Thank you so much, our Blooms!
Yes, thank you po so much. And sa mga nasa ibang bansa, kung may Jollibee po, go po. Try niyo po lahat yung mga meals doon. Thank you po.
Oh, definitely. And also, you have a world tour pa
Ay.
na malapit na mangyari soon, no? Maybe you can get Jollibee abroad as well. But again, maraming salamat. We really appreciate you. Palakpakan po natin our beautiful ladies, Beanie. Thank you so much for answering all of our questions. But let me ask everyone, is everyone having a jolly-tastic time with Beanie? Yes? Okay, we have been having this big event right now, blast with our girls, but we are just getting started kasi ngayon, kayo naman ang magpapakitang gilas kasama ang mga biases natin on stage. Kanina, Beanie danced to our new cheesy Yum Burger jingle. And now, it is your time to shine. So, here is what's gonna happen, okay? We'll be inviting 7 people na kasama namin dito sa entablado. And these lucky participants will get to learn the jingle's choreography directly from our queens. Sinong gustong maging parte nun? Okay. Our management, our production will be going around asking people kung sino gustong pumunta din sa entablado. And later on, mamimili tayo ng ating audience ng best performers na makakuha ng special prizes coming from Jollibee. Now, if you want to be part of this exciting game, you better get ready to impress. And once chosen, they'll be teaching you the moves right here on the stage from Beanie themselves. And then, we'll be dancing that catchiest new jingle, one by one, okay? Dapat mangyari yun. Girls, handa na ba kayo doon?
Yes.
Oh, handang-handa na. So, pipili tayo ng maraming, ng 7 participants na pupunta rito. I guess we have some of them. And then, magkakaroon ng dance-off.
Yes, ang exciting naman yun, Kuya Robby. Pero, alam mo yun, para mas ma-inspire sila, feeling ko kailangan mong bigay ng sample. Kasi,
Ako?
You're the dance king of the Philippines.
Ako? Are you
Diba?
sure?
Gusto niyo ba makita si Kuya Robby sumayaw? Magbigay ng sample.
Ay, kami gustong-gusto po namin yun.
Parang yung mga tito lang nagsabi ng yes. Yung mga tito lang dito.
Let's go, Kuya Robby.
Ako. Sabi, Nations, Beanie Robby ako ngayon. Ay, nako.
Go, let's go!
If everyone's ready, is it okay if you dance with me?
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, sige. Direk, I think everyone's all set. Coach Mickey is in the booth. Oh, wow. Coach Mickey. Okay, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1. Paano ba yan?
Fast
Okay.
learner ka pala, Kuya Ro.
Nag-practice
Ano?
yan.
Fast learner ka.
Sobra. Kasi kung hindi ko makuha ngayon to, baka si Derek Loren, hindi na ako papasukin. Okay, ganun na ganun talaga. We got the best performers right here. Patigin pa lang yung ginawa namin, ha? But this time, you will be with Beanie. Alright? Okay, just quickly, can I get your names? Oni. Joshua. Joshua, what's up, brother? Okay. Hi, baby girl. What's your name? Lala? Nala. Nala. Wow, you got Nala. I think she is the youngest bloom in the area, okay? And then?
Franz po.
France. Kitty? Are you twins? Okay, okay. Parang ayaw nyo. But you're siblings? You're twins! Grabe naman. Okay, hindi halata ah. And then?
Bini Charut po.
Bini Charut. Okay, alright. Well, we've got our ladies here waiting to teach the dance para sa ating mga members. So go ahead. You can approach our ladies. Go ahead. Okay, first dibs. Oh! Nala naman, di halata kung sino bias mo. Grabe naman tong Nala na to. Okay, go ahead guys. You can approach our ladies who will be teaching you the dance later on. Tandaan nyo ha, ladies, I know, very competitive kayo. Nakita namin yan sa mga iba't ibang mga vlogs, iba't ibang mga games. Alam namin kung gaano ka-competitive ang Beanie. So, let me just remind our ladies. Okay, magiging coach kayo ngayon. Best performer gets to win the prize. Isa lang mananalo dito ha. Let me tell you again, this is a game.
Okay po.
Okay, competitive mode on ang Beanie natin. And we're gonna be spreading joy and showing off their best and most energetic dance moves. So, please don't be shy. You can tell them about the choreography right now. We're gonna give you siguro some few minutes. Okay, so ayan na, nauna na. Alam na natin kung sino pinaka-competitive. Si Joanna. Okay. You can teach the move right now.
Okay.
And then the music is gonna be like this. Play natin. Alright. Such a quick choreography. Pero kailangan pinakamagaling dito ha. And I will be needing your help. Alright? To determine kung sino ang mananalo sa ating quick and short game. And ito, first time na gagawin natin itong method na to. Have you heard of the palakpakan system? First time natin gagawin to guys ha. Yung pinakamalakas sa palakpak at hiyawan siya ang mananalo. To our participants, dapat ready yung best jolly moves ninyo. Okay? Is everyone ready?
Yes po.
All good?
We're ready.
Everyone's all set, no? Let me go over there and let's start with Ate Jo. Okay. Jo, are you ready?
Ay, kami po una.
Oo
Okay po.
naman. Handa na ba?
Okay po, ready.
Babatang, okay. Music. In 3, 2, 1, go. Binali yung choreography. Gustong manalo.
Gusto ko manalo. Never pa ako nananalo sa Beanie Game.
Okay lang, nanalo ka naman sa life eh.
Wow!
Alright. Maraming salamat. Stack, are you ready? Okay.
I am born ready.
Oh, born ready. Wow.
Hindi ko na magpapatalo sa inyo.
Okay. Music in 3, 2, 1. May posing sa dulo. Okay.
Thank you!
Victoria, maraming salamat, Stacy. Okay, Maloy with Beanie Charot.
Yes, I'm
Charut.
with Charut.
Okay.
Is it Charut?
Charot pala.
Charut.
Charot, na charot. Sorry. Mali pagkakarinig ko. Okay, excuse lang daw. Charot.
Wait lang. Kailangan for your safety.
Ay! Wow!
For your safety. Back lang konti.
Okay. Maloy and Charut, are you ready?
Dito ka.
In
Dito
3,
ka, Charut.
forward, ready, 3, 2, 1, go!
Thank
Nakakaubos
you
na
so
ng,
much.
nakakaubos na ng double cheesy yum burger mamaya.
Dance
Maraming
with
salamat. Thank you, thank you. Okay, Colette.
Sweet girl lang kami.
Oh, sweet girl lang.
Sweet kasi
Sweet
yung
girl lang
kasama.
kayo. Okay, what?
Ang
Naka-heels
ganda.
pa, ha?
Ang gaganda.
Naka-heels. Alright, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Yay! Ang
So
sweet.
nice. That's a sweet girl.
sweet girl.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Okay, from one twin to another, let's go with Coach Sheena. Okay. Ready?
magdadance.
Wow! Blocking!
Blockings!
Blockings!
Kami din naman.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Kinaya nila yung post namin. Ano yon? Ano yon? Kinaya niyo yung post namin. Ano daw?
May umaalma! May umaalma dito.
Wala,
Okay.
Kuya Robby, same sila ng partner. Ay,
Ma-
twins pala.
Ma-
Nag-ulit. Ulit.
Teka lang. Teka lang.
Lugi.
Teka lang. Yung mga claims na yan, mamaya natin re-resolve, ha? Kasi I think ready na si Nala, oh. Nala, are you ready?
Mananalo yan, bata eh.
Ha?
Mananalo yan.
Automatic na yun pag bata mananalo.
Oo. Oo, ipanalo na natin. Panalo ka na.
Uy!
Ano ba yun? Go for Nala. Luto.
Nala, are you ready?
Ganyan na.
Are you
Ganyan,
ready?
experience akong ganyan. Kaya ako nanalo.
Yes, she is. Okay. Pwede niyo ba akong sabayan? Okay, let's
Sabayan
count
niyo
down
na! Sabayan
in
niyo!
3,
Kaya
2.
mo yan, Mick. Ikaw na, Mix.
Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go!
Winner na. Winner. Panalo na. Panalo na.
And our winner for today ay si Nala! Hindi pa nakakasaya si Guerrero. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa nakasayaw.
Paano ba yan, pare? Nag-decide na yung Bini, may panalo na. Hindi, pero syempre, I think Gwen is ready with a performance. Good job, Nala. Okay, music in 3,
Go, Oni.
2, 1, go!
Ang cute.
Grabe. Iba yung ngiti mo, Brad, ha? Maraming salamat. Alright, let's give our girls a big round of applause. Thank you so much for being game. Sino? Tapos na kanina.
Kuya Robby.
Solo.
It's now or never.
Grabe naman to. Wala nang music, eh.
Let's go!
One week niya po yung
Ang
pinaghandaan.
sakit ng likod ko. Ang sakit. Kailangan ko ng double cheese yung burger mamaya. Sumakit, no? Pero okay. Happy? Babalikan ko kay mamaya. Okay. Let's start first. Palakpakan method. I will be needing your help, guys, ha? Let's start with Bini Joanna.
More!
Okay.
Sige na, more!
Okay. Meron. We got Stacy.
Pag hindi kayo mag-cheer, walang libreng cheesy yung burger! Mga nasa taas, cheer!
Blackmail yun ah.
Thank you. Kalmahan. Galit ata siya.
Bini Stacy, thank you. Bini Maloy.
pag di kayo nag-cheer.
Okay, Bini Maloy!
May spill muna siya, may spill.
Okay, may speed wala.
Kapatid ko po yung bata!
Grabe naman kayo.
Huy,
Okay.
hindi mo
Di
kapatid
magkamukha.
Wait. Kapatid mo ba talaga? Gagamitin lahat para lang manalo, no? Okay. Okay. Bini Colette! Oh, meron. Bini Sheena!
Ang lakas! Ang lakas! I-add niyo po yun, Kuya.
Kasama.
Dapat naka-add.
Pag-add pala.
I-add
Oo.
yun. I-add to. I-add.
Twins additional. Oh, combined yun sa inyo, ha? Eh, tingnan natin kung matatapatan nyo. Bini Mika!
Bata. Hindi! Isa pa!
Uy, naging bata din siya noon. Grabe naman.
Hindi pa tayo tapos. Let's go with Bini Gwen.
Uy, sige na. Grabe naman kayo sa amin.
Medyo pantay halos, ha? Pantay. Bini Gwen! Bini Mika! I think we have a clear winner. I'm looking at our boss. I think for this
Napaniginipan ko
match,
to.
Nala wins. Nala! Can you step forward?
Unexpected winner.
Oh my gosh! A new Funko Pop.
Gusto din po namin
Gusto
ito.
ko din nun.
Be, patingin ito, Be. Patingin
Hoy,
ito.
huwag niya naman agawin.
Joke lang. Inagawan yung bata.
Gusto ko din
Ah,
nun eh.
Maloy, ang tanong daw ng Jollibee, gusto mo ng Jollibee Funko Pop or endorsement?
Ha?
Endorsement o Funko Pop?
Ha, ano yan? Di ko nga alam yan eh. Ano ba yan?
Oh,
Thank you.
oh, may isa pang winner.
May
May isa pang winner daw. Okay, so how do we determine this palakpakan method ulit? So, dalawa ang mananalo ng Funko Pop. Maliban kay Nala. Okay, Nala, congratulations.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Alright. Again, last palakpakan method. Let's go with Bini Joanna. Meron. Bini Stacy.
Guys, please na. Nilibre ko kayo. Jollibee, nandyan lang yung katapat to. 1, 2, 3, shout for me! Thank you so much.
Ang tindi mo, stuck ha? Bini Maloy!
Trinoma, magingay! Yung mga nasa taas dyan, magingay kayo. Hindi ko kayo naririnig.
Ay, nako.
Be, tama na.
Muna sa kapatid.
Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
How about you, Bini Colette? Iko-combine natin to, ha? Tingnan natin, ha? Okay, 1/2 pa lang yun. How about Bini Sheena?
Ang lakas.
Okay, and Bini Gwen. Okay, now, medyo torn tayo. We have to ask our director, sino ba ang nanalo? Okay?
Direk, parang kapitbahay namin kayo
Ang dadayo.
dati.
Hoy!
Nangampan niya. Okay, we're just waiting for the
Ginagawa ko para
final.
sa'yo. Ano ba itong ginagawa? Cheesy, yes,
Okay.
go, Biffy, yes, go.
Okay, I wanted to come from the director. Ang nanalo ay si Bini.
Cheesy.
Bini Maloy!
Walang masaya para sa akin. Congrats!
Congratulations.
Kunin mo na.
Congrats! Oh, charot sa yung box. Akin yung na ano ah.
But hey, give it up for our contestants. Maraming salamat, Blues, for being so game. And also, our ladies, deserve nyo talaga ang moment na to with Bini. Is it okay if we have a big photo together with all of our ladies and our players right here? Okay. Ayan na. On 3, why don't you say Jolly Beanie? Okay? 1, 2, 3. Jolly Beanie! Alright. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Can we ask our contestants? Oh, one more. Alright. Let's look at the camera and compress a bit. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kasama po natin dito later on, bubuksan po namin yung area so you can take a photo with our ladies right there, especially their standees, and go around and taste the cheesiest, the beefiest Yum Burger. Alright, maraming salamat sa ating participants. We really enjoyed with everyone here, and of course, Beanie. Grabe sila ka-competitive. Ganyan talaga ang ating Beanie. But we are not yet done. Actually, we are not yet done. Our Beanie, our ladies are just preparing themselves. Kasi gusto ko lang tanongin, ladies, after that game, after that performance kanina, may energy pa ba kayo for another performance?
Yes.
Yeah!
Do you want Beanie to perform on the stage? Oh my God. You guys are in for a treat. Siyempre, always ready to respond and always ready to spread joy ang Beanie with Jollibee. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna be asking our ladies, are you okay?
Yes!
Everyone is all set. Ladies and gentlemen, Blooms, to perform some of their hit songs, please give it up for the newest addition to the Jollibee family and the nation's girl group, BD!
Bagay na di kontrolado, no problema, pero teka lang. Meron bang humahapon sa'yo? Di man dapat matuloy ng pagtakbo. Sino ba nagsabi na kailangan kung unahin di naman ito karera? Pwede magkahalan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Pasimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Buhay ay minsan ay nalimutan, mga sandali, kailangan saglit. Di kailangan magmadali para magwagi, palinunti-unti. Wala namang humahabol sa'yo. Di naman magmatulin ang pagtakbo. Bini, maraming beses na kabana na pagkumaya, naniwala sa mundo madaya. Ano nga ba, sino nga ba, ikaw ba o ako ba? Hindi lang magbabahala. Yeah, huwag ka nang maniwala sa paniniwala na dapat makipag-unan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, tanda ka na. Sino bang karera? Magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Sabi mo ba, alam mo lang mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi ka mamimbis, di mo malalakatan. Di ka may hawak ng iyong bag. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis. Hindi ka mamimbis, di mo malalakatan. Buhay ay di karera. Huwag mag-alala. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera.
Wow. Super nag-enjoy po kami. Nag-enjoy din po kami dahil syempre, first time namin ito i-perform ngayon na we are with Jollibee family. And we cannot wait to walk this journey with Jollibee pa talaga. Right, Jo?
Yes, and alam nyo, minamanifest lang talaga namin to dati. Na, naranasan nyo na rin ba mag-wish sa harap ng salamin? Like, salamin. Kailan ba kami magiging part ng Jollibee? Yung ganon. Pero now it's happening! Woo! And, speaking of salamin, siguro, mostly sa inyo, may idea na, syempre, di ba, sobrang obvious naman.
Title na yung sinabi mo, Te. Title na yun.
Sino ba dito yung mga pumunta kasama ang mga loved ones nila? Meron ba dito? Or kami ang loved ones nyo? Sana magustuhan nyo tong last song namin. Let's go, guys! Pwede kayo makikanta if alam nyo tong song. Let's go, let's dance, let's enjoy!
Ang lover misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita, pero ayokong magduda pagkalan sa simula.
Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maisa lang aking pangungulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y magbabigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya ang titingin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Yeah! Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin sa dingding na sanang pag-ibig. Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin sa dingding na sanang pag-ibig. Salamin, kailan niyo ba ako papansinin? Ayaw kong maniwala na baka mabaliwala. Pero sa iyong suyap, pamamatay ng umusap, di ko kayang magpanggap. Ano ba talaga ito? Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan. Sana ay maibsan ang aking pangangulila. Trapped in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Maghihintay!
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya ang aminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin.
Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig? Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin sa dingding, nasa na ang pag-ibig? Salamin, kailan niya ba ako papansinin?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, please tell my Prince Charming I'm waiting for his call.
Papasikot-sikot para pang pinapaikot-ikot talaga. Mag-isip ba talaga ang next move mo? Gusto ko lang naman malaman ano ba ang katotohanan? Pero sa ilaw, it's late. I'm ready to be called a princess, hey.
Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba
Aminin,
kanyang tunay na patingin?
ano ba ang
Mahiwagang
sasabihin?
salamin, ano bang dapat gawin?
Congratulations to the Jollibee family. Beanie! Good job, ladies. Okay, we're gonna give you some time to freshen up even backstage para lang pahinga ng konti kasi we're gonna be having our girls more on the stage later on, okay? Pwede muna kayo pumunta sa likod to freshen up.
See you
Don't worry.
later! See you
Don't
later!
worry.
See you later! Wala mo nang aalis dyan!
Beanie will be right back. Okay. Okay guys, huwag kayong magalala. Huwag muna tayong umuwi dahil marami pang mangyayari later on. I can even see, I think that's my pamangkin. Is that Bryce? Oh, okay. Hello? Oh, wow. It's a family affair. Okay, but again, we're gonna be having all these beautiful queens later on. And if you have the time, you can drop by our booths right there para magpa-photo. You got your biases there. All of our 8 queens nandyan sa likod. But ang isang bias natin dito is the cheesiest, beefiest Yum Burger. Especially tomorrow, we're gonna be having the double cheesy Yum Burger. And I hope you guys try that out, okay? Pero sa lahat ng mga influencers natin dito, sa lahat ng mga Jollibee family, maraming salamat for taking time to be right here. We really appreciate you. And finally, nasubukan nyo na yung ating double cheesy Yum Burger, okay? I hope everyone's having a great time. We're gonna be having our ladies in just a bit to answer most of your burning questions. So please stay tuned for that one. But while they are preparing and freshening up, is it okay if I go around? Okay lang ba? To ask people regarding this Jollibee collaboration. Ikaw! Oh, pare. I think I've seen you. Ikaw ba si Joy? Yes. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Hello. Can I get your name?
Nathan Imnida.
Nathan. Okay. Have you tried the cheesy Yum Burger natin kanina?
It's super cheesy, meaty, beefy.
Okay. Panalo. Oh, sobra talaga. Okay. You've seen our girls. You've been dancing to some of their tunes.
Alamin, my favorite.
Pwede ka bang mag-sample ng salamin if that's okay?
Mas gusto ko is, if ever, is kumanta eh.
Okay lang ba? Pakantay natin ng salamin? Sabi ni Sadan, wala kaming choice. Okay. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Salamin, nandito na silang bagit. Salamin.
Hindi ko na naintindihan.
Ayoko maniwala, eh.
Alright. Ipit na ipit, ha? Maraming salamat. Okay lang yan. At least, masayang-masayang mga blooms dito. Okay, I wanna ask you, sino bang bias mo sa Beanie?
Si Chocolate Sundae!
Okay. Hopefully, we will have the time para magtanong mamaya ng questions. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Okay. Salamin. That's not the official Beanie merch. Okay. This is an exclusive, you guys. What is your name, sir?
Ako po si Car Creates.
Car Creates. Okay, pero this is not the official merch.
Ito po yung ni-reach out ni Sir Jollibee, which is sinabi niya po sa akin na inspired na po dito, which is nagawa po ako ng mga photo cards na Jollibee collection at the same time the mahiwagang salamin. Sorry, di ko siya ma-open ngayon lang.
Ayokong maniwala. Hey. Ayan ang mahiwagang salamin. Okay? And this is not the official merch, not yet, no? Not yet, pero it comes from Carl. Oh, wow. Okay, is it okay if I show it off to the girls later? Okay, sige. I'll give it to the girls later. Ang mahiwagang salamin. Carl. And my photo cards, this is not the official merch, pero this is inspired sa Jollibee collaboration. Alright. Itatago ko muna. I'll give the girls later. Maraming salamat. Just in case, I know they're listening. Sino bang bias mo?
Si Colette po. Tapos ang bias record ko po, si Staku.
Si Staku. Okay. I'm sure the girls are listening backstage. Maraming salamat. Bloom Millennials. I think may kilala ko sa dyan eh.
Okay, si Beanie Casey yata, nandyan sa Blue Millennials. Maraming salamat for being here. Okay, again, our booths are just open to all the mall goers right here, Chayanoma. If you have the time, please drop by. And this is actually the official announcement ng Beanie being part of the Jollibee family. Okay, hello. Oh, let me ask this boy. Sebastian, sa lahat ng performances, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mo sa ating Beanie? Salamin. Okay, sino ba ang bias mo sa Beanie?
Mika po.
Mika is right there. Okay, maybe later if we have the chance, mamaya, we'll have you say hi to Mika. Okay? Maraming. See? Everyone is part of this Beanie craze. Even may pamangkin. I wanna ask Bryce, would you believe it? This is my pamangkin. Grabe, no? Diba? Ano sabi mo?
Hi, Tito Robbie.
Oh, hello. Grabe. Huwag mo munang sabihin na tito mo ko dito. Okay, this is Bryce, my pamangkin. I didn't know you were a Bloom.
Yeah, I am. Super nag-enjoy ako.
Oh, and you were dancing to Salamin kanina.
I was dancing. Kasi sobrang saya. First time ko sila makita live.
Wow. Well, I'm sure this is not your last time and hopefully you'll be having more greets. Sino ba ang bias mo sa ating Beanie?
Actually, di ako makapili dito, Robbie. Lahat sila bias ko na.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sure they appreciate that and we'll have more time later. Maraming salamat. Great to see you. Is your mom here? Oh, okay. Let me just say to my family member from Jollibee family then. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, and I think the girls are all set. So, I have a message na kailangan ibigay yung ating mahiwagang salamin, ang ating photo cards. And that greeting coming from Seb. Lalong-lalo dun sa bias niya. Okay. So, this time, now that everyone's here, especially our friends from the media, we are so excited to get up close and personal with the Nation's Girl Group. Diba? At tamang-tama, since mukhang ready na ulit ang ating newest faces of Jollibee. Excited ba kayo makita sila ulit? Yes? Okay. Kaya naman, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, let's have here on stage our queens. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Beanie! You have to prepare all of your burning questions, especially from our friends in the media. Lalong-lalo na we got Beanie Gainiel standing by. Okay. Don't forget to use our official hashtags and also that magical Jolly Beanie. Maraming salamat. Everyone has been enjoying the event so far. And before we proceed, this is not the official merch, not yet. Okay? But someone took inspiration doon sa Jolly Beanie, and you have your own photo cards na Jolly Beanie. And also, this mahiwagang salamin. No?
Salamin talaga siya.
Salamin. Ayokong maniwala. Pero pag binuksan mo siya, it is a mahiwagang salamin. And meron pang isa. Si Jollibee mismo.
Sabi ko, ba't pala ako dito, Kuya Robbie?
There, Mika is... Andun ka, Mika.
Andun ako. Sige.
We'll ask someone to get it later on. Okay, maraming salamat. I got your photo cards. Ang daming gustong mag-hi sa inyo, but you'll have the chance later on. At this point, we're opening the floor for our special Q&A session, and this is your chance to ask Beanie all of your burning questions about their music, their journey, and of course, their collaboration with the iconic Jollibee, okay? So, I think we got a mic right there, and this is for our friends from the media. We are going to be limiting the question to a few questions lang, okay? Oh, there we go. Can you say your name? What agency you're from or media agency?
Hi, I'm EPG from manualtolife.com. Hi, girls. Nice meeting you ulit. My question is, What's your favorite ways of enjoying your cheesy yum burger? Ay mga paborito niyong ways.
Favorite way of enjoying your cheesy yum burger?
For me, I think it's very important to spend it with family or friends, very close friends. Kasi yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ni Joanna kanina, Jollibee is family and Jollibee is about the memories and it's about the moments in life, the positivity you feel, and the joy, of course. So yeah, I think it's about being with family and the best people to eat the cheesy hamburger with.
That's a good answer. Any other girls would love to answer the question, Maloy?
The best way?
Best way to enjoy
The Jollibee way.
What is the Jollibee way?
More Jojo, show.
The Di ba favorite natin yung Jollibee pag after training talaga?
After training?
Pag yung gutom na gutom po talaga kami and sobrang kumukulo na yung tiyan namin, hindi kami pinapag-water break ng coach. Yun po yung nilolook forward po talaga
Si Stacey ang nanguna. Nasa yung fries ko, nasa yung chicken ko. Ganun siya.
Diretso na. May gusto ka bang
Ikaw
sabihin?
nga! Ikaw ka di nagbabay.
Sako, may gusto ka bang sabihin kay Coach Mickey?
Coach Mickey, sana po, charot. Umuwi na po siya.
Umuwi na.
We love you, Coach Mickey.
Oh, the best talaga.
Yeah,
Well,
thank you po.
The best way to eat the double cheesy yum burger is the Jollibee way. The Jollibeanie way. Okay, that's the answer of our girls. Maraming salamat.
you.
Thank you. Any more questions coming from me? Okay. Sir, what's your name?
Hi, Roby. I'm Richard from Lionheart TV.
Okay. Hi, boss. Nice to meet you. And then the
Hello.
question goes.
Good afternoon, Beanie. Your music often carries messages of empowerment and possibility. So, how do you see this partnership with Jollibee spreading similar vibes to your fans and beyond?
Pang Miss Universe naman yung
My
katanong.
goodness.
Grabe. Okay, that's kind of the number one. Mika.
I think that this partnership with Jollibee is such, it's similar to the values that we also have as Beanie. It's similar to what we advocate, which is positivity and joy and inclusivity. And we would like to thank Jollibee, of course, for making sure that everyone feels welcomed every time they visit Jollibee and eat their food. And parang na-pressure ako dito. Pero yun nga, Jollibee is all about spreading positivity and joy, and that's what we also, Beanie, want to do. That's where we are similar. And when we perform, we want people to be able to relate to our songs that we perform and the lyrics that we say, of course.
Well, that's true. Everyone agrees. When you see our girls perform, you can't help but smile. And when you see Jollibee, you can't help but smile. So it's about spreading joy and the happiness to everyone. And very Filipino, di ba? World-class Filipino. Okay. Any other girls who would love to answer the question? Colette. Yeah, Colette? Oh, okay. Is it okay if we ask our audio here sa harapan, sa stage, na lakasan ng konti so that the girls can hear? Maraming salamat. Okay. Would you love to add something, Colette? Okay na? Okay. Oh.
Ayun nga po, the same goal po talaga namin ng Beanie and Jollibee ay mag-share po talaga ng good vibes, positivity, joy po sa mga Filipinos po talaga.
Spread the positivity and good vibes talaga.
Yes.
Maraming salamat. I hope.
Thank you po.
Congrats, Beanie. Salamat.
Thank
Salamat,
you
Roby.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Okay, I think we got a couple of more.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Didi Manuel of HappyPinay.com.
Oh, Mini.
Yeah, my question is, anybody can answer this. Jollibee's cheesy yum burger is all about top tier, quality, and taste. My question is, how important is it for you to endorse products that aligns with this highest standard?
Actually po kaming Beanie, we always want to show excellence and yun nga, we value po quality in terms of our performance, in terms of the music we release, and also with the products we endorse. And I feel like yun yung similarity namin with Jollibee. They also stand by their quality, and kaya ang dali-daling i-endorse ng Jollibee, ng cheesy yum burger. Kasi genuine yung pagkagusto namin talaga sa burger.
True.
Like, we really love and really enjoy eating it. So, yes, quality is top-notch.
Nagulat ako, ha?
Top notch.
Totoo naman, quality is top notch. It's the priority palagi. Especially with their performance, especially with the product. Maraming salamat. Okay, lalong-lalo na it's personal to Beanie. Especially one of the girls, if not all, doon nagsi-celebrate ng birthday. Nag-celebrate na ng birthday, di ba? Ay, nako. Okay. Maraming salamat for the question. I guess we got one more.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, sorry. Hello.
Hi po. Hi, girls. I'm Tina of House Creatives from the Travel Duo. My question is, what are you most excited about being the newest faces of Jollibee's Cheesy Yum Burger?
Ako po, syempre excited na po akong matikman ng mga kapwa Pinoy natin ang bagong Cheesy Yum Burger. Kasi, alam nyo, ako po, before kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig po sa burger po talaga. Sa beef, pareho kami ni Ate Colette po. Pero, nakita nyo naman yung pagkain ko kanina ng burger, para namang hindi nangyari, hindi ako naging mahilig. Iba po talaga, masasabi ko, ako na mismo nagsasabi, and I'm sure na hindi ako mapapahiya dito, yung pagka-cheesiness and beefiness ng burger na to, it's double talaga. Top notch, sabi nga ni Sheila. Top notch. Yun, excited na ako matikman niyo po itong lahat. After ng event na ito, guys, meron tayong Jollibee. Everywhere, guys, na malapit dito, kailangan yung matikman yan. Hindi ako mapapahiya, for sure.
And that's tomorrow, okay?
Yes,
The newest product will be available tomorrow together with your TVCs, which will be aired everywhere. So excited ang lahat. Maraming salamat po for the question. We got a couple of more questions coming from our friends.
So, Beanie has been known for its vibrant and energetic performances. So, how does the Cheesy Yum Burger match the group's dynamic personality?
So, the Cheesy Yum Burger po is, alam mo yan, top notch. Yes. It's bold and delight, just like our performances. And alam mo yan, pagkakagat mo pala ng Cheesy Yum Burger, its unique taste and the joy it brings. You know, it's perfectly match our energy and our vibe. So I think Jollibee and Beanie is perfect.
So
it's top notch.
Yes.
Top notch.
Yes, and it really fuels our creativity po, lalo na sa rehearsals or before kami sumalang sa every event, talagang na-energize kami and syempre magpo-full out ka talaga, di ba? Pag kumain ka ng Jollibee meal.
Yung pag naamoy mo pa lang, mapapa-full out ka eh.
Hindi, di ba kasi usually kapag mag-perform ka, hindi ka kakain. Kami kumakain po kami bago
Yes.
mag-perform.
Kanina, before
Excited.
sumala. Energizer.
Kaya pala iba yung ganun na ganun yung nakita namin na performance. Okay?
Thank you po.
And we
Thank you
expect
po.
more powerful performance in the future. Okay? Maraming salamat. We're down to our last question. I guess, maraming salamat.
Hi, I'm Trish Denise. So I just have a question. Who is the cheesiest member of Beanie?
Oh, beautiful question yan. Okay.
Sheena. No, it's Ate Colette.
Me?
Because of her
Ate Colette.
cheesiest jokes.
Yeah.
Ayaw give us a sample.
Hindi siya cheesy siguro corny.
Hindi ako
Corniest.
cheesy.
Try mo na,
Sige, sampulan mo
sample.
lang.
Si Colette, oo, cheesy.
Ha? Teka,
Cheesy
walang
yung
pick-up
mga
line.
yun.
Sample ng pick-up line.
Sample ng mga pick-up line.
Jollibee ka ba? Teka lang, na-pressure ako.
Pressure tuloy.
5, 6,
Okay, wait lang.
go.
Maraming salamat, Mini Colette.
Wait lang.
Di ba?
Sorry lang po.
Sorry. Kala ko
Give
kasi.
her time po. Okay, Jollibee ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi pagkasama kita, bida ang saya.
Wow! Ang galing mo.
Boom! Boom! So we all know who's the cheesiest in the group. Maraming salamat. That's a nice question. Are we done? One last question. Okay, one
Hi,
last
Beanie.
question.
I'm Cheese from 8list and bitesize.ph. Hi. Hello. So, what's your favorite pairing with the new Jollibee Cheesy Double Yum Burger?
Ako favorite ko personally yung macaroni soup and Coke float.
Yummy.
One by one ba to?
Oh, sige, ikaw Ako, with fries, large fries, ay na yung bucket po, please. And Coke float. Tsaka peach mango pie na rin po. Salamat.
Sarap!
Ako po, lagi ko po talagang order yung super meal nila. Yung meron ng chicken, meron ng rice, meron ng spaghetti, and then yung
Burger steak.
Burger steak. Yeah.
Ako po.
Ayan kay Bebe, go.
Ako po, I love to pair it po with one-piece burger steak, one-piece chicken with rice and extra rice, tapos regular fries po with
Memorize.
sundae po and Coke float. That's my go-to order, tapos cheesy yung
Promise.
burger.
Yan talaga
Yan po
order
talaga.
niya.
Mauubos niya lahat.
That's
Specific
our
in
heart.
one
Ano?
sitting. Sarap sarap.
Alam nyo, hinahanda na yata ng Jollibee yung mga
Kakakain ko lang
orders
po.
nyo.
Yun po yung kinain namin sa likod.
Actually,
May patake kung pa kayo, huwag kayong mag-alala.
every shoot po namin, automatic po kung ano po yung
Go-to
yung
namin
go-to order
order.
namin. Yun din po yung binibigay ng Jollibee sa amin.
Ah.
Mahal na mahal po kami ng Jollibee po.
Ah, that's so nice to hear. Okay.
Ako, cheesy yung burger with chicken, tapos spaghetti with pineapple juice.
Di ba
yung peach
mango pie? No, buko pie. I like buko pie ng Jollibee.
Ah, the coconut. Okay.
The coconut.
Okay. I'll go ahead.
Sa akin, chicken. Tsaka kami ni Stacy, team macaroni soup kami talaga eh. Kami OG talaga kami dyan. And yung Coke float, the best.
You know what? Yung mga sinasabi now makes the Jollibee family super happy.
Yeah.
Kasi talaga, I mean, these guys are big fans of your work, but you are big fans of their products too. Kaya naman ang gandang collaboration. Mika?
Ako po, either yung spaghetti and chicken or yung super meal rin po, like Ate Colette. Yeah.
I think ihahanda na nila yung mga orders nyo right after the show.
Thank you po.
The
Thank
Jollibee
you.
family is so happy to have Beanie as part of their family now. Okay? Maraming salamat. Is that the last question coming from our friends? I have to ask our director first. I think one last question. Okay? No more. Okay, maybe you can direct your questions later on sa ating queens. But on that note, let's give a big round of applause to Beanie. Thank you for answering all the burning questions. Okay, and before we wrap up our exciting Q&A session, we have a very special surprise in store. It's gonna be a special celebration, special day for one of the members of Beanie, and that is Gwen. So may we ask all of our ladies to please stand up, especially you, Gwen. We know that your special day is just around the corner, and we can't let this moment pass without making it memorable for you. So why don't we celebrate it with your Jollibee family? So right now, we have a very special guest joining us. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Jollibee's VP for Marketing, Ma'am Dorothy D. Ching. Ma'am Dora is right here together with one of my favorites, AVP for Handhelds, Ma'am Pam Reyes, and Senior Manager for PR Partnerships and Sustainability, Sir Dennis Reyes. Let's give them a big round of applause. All right. They are here
Ang sweet naman.
to make our ladies smile, especially Beanie Gwen. Ayan, may cake and flowers na. Okay, light it up. But wait, what is a birthday without a birthday song? Tama, di ba? So, is it okay if we sing the birthday song for Gwen?
Yes!
All right, music. Do we have music?
Jolly birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you.
Okay, let's wish.
Happy birthday.
2 more years with Jollibee.
Wow! All right, happy birthday, Beanie Gwen, on 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Beanie Gwen!
Ready na ba kayo makita si Jollibee? Lalabas talaga si Jollibee ngayon. Jollibee reveal,
Is Jollibee there?
Is Jollibee there?
Jollibee there? I think an iconic line from Ayos na ayos. We're waiting for Jollibee maybe later. Okay, we have that opportunity. But happiest birthday to Beanie Gwen. And thank you so much.
Jollibee.
Thank you so much to our bosses right here. Maraming salamat. We really appreciate it. Okay, the best experience fit for Jollibee's Cheesy Yum Burger Best Fest. Happy birthday. Oh, wow. We've danced, we've sung, we've proudly launched our new product and also celebrated with the new faces. Of course, we got the sensational beanie with us. But before we wrap up, we have one more special moment to share with all of you guys to officially welcome Beanie to the Jollibee family. Siyempre, to celebrate this partnership, hindi pwedeng mawala si
Jollibee!
Ayan na. Are they here? Ayan na. Excited na siyang sabihin.
Asan si Jollibee?
Mag-change
Is Jollibee
outfit pa daw
there?
si Jo. Siya yun.
Ayan na.
Are they here? Okay. Jollibee and friends will be here in a bit, but right now, let's go. And
Solo
have
prod po muna si Jo. Solo prod.
the-
Jo, entertain mo muna
And to
kami.
entertain you
Music.
guys,
Lagabog,
Joanna, welcome.
Lagabog, go.
Okay,
Kuya,
but-
paplay ng lagabog.
Big decision kayo si Kuya
Okay.
Bob.
Before we call in Jollibee, let's have our leadership team muna. Let's have our bosses to join our ladies. Oh, doon na pala. Oh, Jo.
Ay, ayun na!
1, 2, 3, Jo.
Ready na ba kayo makita si Jollibee and friends? Hello! Hi, Hetty!
Okay.
Hello!
Okay.
Picture.
So we got Jollibee and
Oh my
friends
gosh!
together with our LTs. Okay. Hello.
Kamukha ni Sheena, di ba? Oo nga.
Okay.
Hala, totoo sila ngayon.
Okay, picture tayo.
Okay, we got Jollibee and friends on the stage. Together with our nation's girl group, Jollibee. Smile. That is so cute. Two iconic names on the stage right now, Jollibee and Beanie. All right. Maraming salamat. We'll be seeing more of Jollibee and friends in just a bit. Okay, before we call in our leadership team, we would love to call in our bosses first to join this grand photo op. So why don't we call in the head of Star Magic and our boss, Derek Laurenti Jogi, together with the president of Jollibee, Sir Ferns Yu, for a photo op together with our ladies. Maraming salamat to our dear friends. We'll be seeing you later. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the president of Jollibee, Sir Ferns Yu. Let's give him a big round of applause together with the head of Star Magic, Derek Loren Jogi. All right. A grand partnership. Again, to those who are just going around the mall right now, we have officially launched Beanie as the official endorsers of Jollibee. All right. Let's give Sir Ferns Yu a big round of applause together with Direct Loren Jogi. Okay, we got a lot of people joining the group right now. Let's have the VP for Marketing, Ma'am Dorothy D. Ching, join us. Our VP for Finance, Ma'am Cynthia Castro. Our VP for RBU and NKAG, Sir Kakam Gabunada. RBU Head for North Luzon, Ma'am Ellen Nunez. RBU Head for South Luzon, Ma'am Michi Mariano. I missed Ma'am Michi. We got our AVP for Head Franchising, Sir Ryan Matignas. Okay, our photographers are all over the front stage right now, ready to snap a lot of unforgettable photos to celebrate this wonderful. Oh, this is so cool. We got our bosses and our queens on the stage. Why don't we say Jolly Beanie on 3? Okay, Jolly Beanie. 1, 2, 3. Jolly Beanie! All right. Thank you so much to our LTs. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our LTs, our leadership team, a big round of applause. Everyone is on stage. Maraming salamat po. Okay. And I think we are not yet done. All right. Again, you are witnessing this grand launch for our official endorsers. The product, our double cheesy yum burger, will be available tomorrow, and also the newest TVC of Beanie together with Jollibee is out tomorrow. And also would love to extend a huge thank you to all of our hardworking staff and all of you guys, our wonderful guests. Maraming salamat po for joining us sa ating event right now. Before we end, let me just ask, are we going to be having a photo op together with the KOLs? Together with our guests here? Is that right? Okay, I'm just waiting for the signal. Okay. This time, let's ask our Jollibee PH Burgers team together with Miss Doray D. Ching to join. Okay. Right after that photo together with our LT and our companions. Okay. Let's ask our leadership team to be here with us once again, and together with the other marketing geniuses of Jollibee. Okay, hello. Again, on the stage, you are witnessing our queens together with the leadership team. There's a kid here, proud jolly kid, joining Beanie. Okay. Wave.
Now I would like to call on the Jollibee PH Burgers team and Miss Doray D. Ching to join Beanie on stage for another photo opportunity. Once again, let's call on Jollibee PH Burgers team and Miss Doray D. Ching. Please join Beanie on stage. Once again, would like to call on stage the Jollibee PH Burgers team and Miss Doray Diching. Miss Doray Diching and the Jollibee PH Burgers team on stage, please. The Jollibee marketing and guests, please stand by. You'll be next. Once again, please stand by. Jollibee marketing and guests. Okay. Let's call on stage now the Jollibee marketing and guests. Please join Beanie on stage for your photo opportunity. Once again, the Jollibee marketing and guests, it's your turn for your photo op with Beanie.
Sa islong pantropiko.
Jollibee team, please stand by. You're next.